Tired of struggling with manual riveters? Cordless rivet guns are here to transform your tasks with precision and power. No cords, no hassle. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, these tools combine portability with effortless riveting, saving you time and energy. Whether you're tackling light projects or heavy-duty jobs, cordless rivet guns ensure smooth performance every time. DEWALT DCF 403 D1 20V Max XR Cordless Rivet Tool. Streamline fastening tasks with the DEWALT DCF 403 D1 20V Max XR Cordless Rivet Tool. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, it delivers up to 2,100 lbf of pulling force, easily handling aluminum, steel, and stainless steel rivets. The tool fastens up to 800 rivets per charge, ensuring maximum productivity on the job site. Designed for versatility, it accommodates multiple rivet sizes: 3/32 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, 5/32 of an inch, and 3/16 of an inch, and features tool-free nose changes with onboard nose piece storage. The integrated mandrel collector keeps loose mandrels secure, while the LED light improves visibility in dim work areas. Durable and efficient, it's built for demanding tasks. Milwaukee Electric 2550-22 M12 Rivet Toolkit. The Milwaukee 2550-22 M12 Rivet Toolkit delivers power and convenience for riveting tasks. Capable of pulling up to 3/16-inch rivets in aluminum, steel, and stainless steel, this tool provides 2,000 pounds of pulling force with a 0.8-inch stroke length. It can fasten up to 450 steel rivets per charge, ensuring efficiency on demanding jobs. Part of the versatile M12 platform, it accommodates rivet sizes from 3/32-inch to 3/16-inch and secures rivets in any orientation. The ergonomic design minimizes user fatigue, enhancing productivity. Lightweight at 3.39 pounds, this cordless rivet tool is perfect for precision and portability. King SHOWDEN 18-volt cordless rivet gun. The King SHOWDEN 18-volt cordless rivet gun offers 2-in-1 functionality, supporting both rivet and rivet nut modes for versatility in various tasks. It accommodates rivet sizes of 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch, and 3/16 inch, as well as rivet nuts up to 5/16 inch. Powered by a durable 4.0 amp-hour battery with advanced protection, it delivers reliable performance for extended outdoor use. Featuring a brushless motor, it provides up to 2,100 pounds of pulling force with greater efficiency, safety, and longevity. The Smart Mode ensures automatic rivet ejection for increased precision. The kit includes interchangeable heads, a carrying case, and a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Let us know your favorite cordless rivet gun in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.